Now children will take the another figure, that is cube. You can see that each face is a square face, that length, breadth and height is equal. Okay, so the cube has a cuboid which has a square face, is shaped face, and length, breadth and height is equal. That cuboid is called cube. So length, breadth and height will assume that is x. Shape of each face is square. Okay, here also 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. So TSA, that is there are 6 faces and area of each face. Area of each face is each square face. So you know the area of a square, that is x in a side square. So 6x square. Then TSA with 5 face. Okay, we have the tank as cuboidal tank, but it is open. That is 5x square. LSA, or area of 4 walls. That is 4x square. Length of diagonal, that is length square plus breadth square plus height square. That is root 3x square. We just bifurcate both it like root 3 into root x square. That is root 3x. Okay, the whole part, the unit should be square unit, and then for the volume. Okay, the volume of cube. That is length, breadth and height. So x cube. Okay, the unit for area will be square unit, and the unit for volume will be cubic unit. Now we come to the exercise 13.1. There is saying that we have to make a plastic box with the help of a plastic sheet. Okay, the length, breadth and height of the plastic sheet is given. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, you just find the area of plastic sheet which is required for making the box. Exercise 13.1, question number 1. The length is 12.5, 1.5 centimeter, no meter, sorry. Then breadth 1.25 meter, and height is 65 centimeter. That has to be converted into meter. So 65 divided by 100 centimeter. That will be 0.65 meter. Now because this box is open at the top, so we go for that area of plastic sheet. That is area of cuboid with 5 face. Okay, and that area is length into breadth plus 2 into height, length plus breadth. So substitute the value. Length is 1.5, breadth is 1.25 plus 2 into 0.65 bracket 1.5 plus 1.25. You remove these decimals. 1, here is 2, here is also 2. Here you can see multiply without cancelling that, you just multiply 15 to 125. 15 5s are 75, 7 carry, 15 2s are 30, 30 and 7 37, carry 3, 15 1s are 15 and 3 18 upon 1000 plus 2 into 65 130 upon 100 into the sum of this 5027.2. We remove them, cut. Now here this will be the 30, so you put the decimal before 3 digit to 1 2 3 1.875 plus Now you multiply 13 to 275. 13 7 5 are 65. 6 carry. 13 7 are 91. 91 and 6 97. 9 carry. 32 are 26 or 9 35. Upon 10 into 100,000. So you have 1.875 plus 3.575. You total these values. 5 and 5 10, 7 7 14 or 1 15, 1 carry, 8 or 5 13 or 1 14, 1 carry, 1 or 1 2 or 3 5. So that is 5.450 meter square is the area of that plastic sheet. Now we have to find the cost of plastic sheet. Cost, that is area into rate. In this case area is 5.450 into rate. The rate of the plastic sheet is rupees 20 per meter square. You remove this 1 2 3, 1 to 1 cut, 2 to 2 cut. Now you just multiply them. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 or 1 9, 1 carry, no, 2 5s are 10, no, not 1 carry over there. Here is 10. So this 0 cut. So total cost of the sheet is 109. Okay, thank you. This much we will do. Now rest portion will take in tomorrow's class. Thank you and have a nice day.